Hey, how you going? Alright, you ready for this one? I reckon a few of my mates are going to be pretty happy that I put this one up here. Okay, so for the best beef burger ever, we need 1 kilo of beef mince. Now the best thing to do is just pull it apart like this and drop it in little bits. Now a good amount of salt and pepper. You've got to have a good amount of salt and pepper in your patty. Next thing you want to do is you want to put in 1 large brown onion, chopped nice and small. And we want to chuck 2 eggs in there. Now that is it, my friends. That is all you need in there. People put all this other stuff in there, and I'll tell you what, if you want a good burger, the only thing you want to taste is meat. It's so important to have that taste of meat in there. So besides the salt and pepper, you do not need anything else. Now you can do it with your hands if you want, but I like breaking it up like that at the beginning, and then you don't have to do it with your hands because it's really easy to mix it all in. So either way, mix it in with your hands or with a fork. Now we've got the egg all mixed through properly. Move that out of the way. You want to get a small bowl of plain flour, and you want to get a plate ready. Alright, so we're just going to get whatever size burgers you want to make. I'll just show you. I roughly do a handful. So when I close my hands, it's covered it. There. Into a circle. Then wrap it into the flour. Shake it off a little bit. And onto the plate. And keep going. The reason I put the flour on them is that when you cook them, it makes this crunchy, yummy, meaty outside bit of it, and that's what makes the patty. Alright, so once we've floured them, we're going to wrap them in Glad wrap and put them in the fridge for an hour to set. Let the egg do its work. And then while they're setting in the fridge, we just prepare everything else and get it ready. Oh yeah. Alright, so I would use between 1.5 and 2 of those for each burger. Now, making a burger, it's also about the way you put your burger together as well, and what sort of rolls you use in that. Now, I love these rolls. These are focaccias. I'm going to jinx myself by saying it, but they're really good to keep a burger together. They're awesome. I like getting them from the bakery. They make killer ones there. But yeah, focaccias, they've got all herbs on the top of them and that, and they're nice big rolls, and they're not too fat either. So the first thing we do, so while that's in the fridge, I'll get everything ready, and then I can chill out for a little while, and then I'm ready to cook. It's sort of like all set up, so you just have to go and enjoy cooking. Alright, grated knife down the middle. Alright, we want to butter them. So yeah, I'll get all these ready now, put it on a plate, cover it up with Glad wrap, and put it aside. Alright, once we've buttered them, slice up some cheese or grated cheese, whatever you've got, it doesn't matter. Layer it on the bottom and make sure you cover the bottom completely. Now, the reason I do this is so that when you put your burger on there, it won't soggy up your roll at all. It'll keep your roll perfect. And that's exactly what we want. So do that with all of them and get them ready. I forgot to say, you can make the meat patties the day before. So when we go to cook them, it's so much stuff you've got to cook that if you've got a barbie, it's awesome because you've got that big flat barbecue to cook them on. But what I normally do is I'll cook up all the kids first, get them out of the way, go and have a couple of bevies, and come back when you're in the mood and make yourself a big juicy hamburger. Alright, so what I'll do is so with your lettuce, and don't ever cut your lettuce because it will go brown and go off really quick. Always break and tear all your lettuce off, right? So I'll just tear the lettuce up into it. Like I said, I'm only making a couple tonight, so you'll need a lot more than this if you're making them all up. Slice up some tomatoes, slice up some cucumber, and slice up some onion so you can fry up with your patties. Get that all done and covered up, then do what I do, go have a drink. And come back and cook. Oh, I forgot the rest of the salad. Alright, so once you get them ready, you need to get yourself some sliced pineapple. Chuck it in a bowl. Because after all, if it's with the lot, it's got to be with the lot, mate. Beetroot. You know why you need beetroot? Because you can't beat a root, mate. I know, when I was like younger, it's like I used to hate that, and now I'm saying it or whatever. Okay, so beetroot. Get some beetroot ready as well if you want the lot. Put on as many as you want to cook. Oh, it's smelling good up in here. They got about 8-10 minutes to go. I'm using an electric frying pan, so it always takes longer. Onion in next, in with the bacon. Just before I put the eggs in, I'll get the burgers and I'll slice them down the middle. Oh, I'm probably going to be in your way. Right, it's just mainly because of the electric frying pan for one reason, because they're usually always a little bit pink. But the other reason is I don't like them really fat. I like it spread right over. So it's up to you, it's optional. You can have really fat ones in there if you want, or do what I do and split them all down the middle. Trust me. Oh, look how juicy that is. Oh yeah, baby. Once you've got your meat on there, onion, as little or as much as you like, obviously. Sauce, of course. Bacon. Eggs. Good cracker pepper. Now, right at this stage, if you wanted to toast them, you put the lid on it and get the, what do you call the big sandwich maker things? The big toasty sandwich flat maker things. And you can put it in there like that and it will melt the cheese a little bit and it will crusty up your roll. But I'm too hungry for that tonight, so I'm eating a fresh roll. Okay, so next thing we do is build the salad. Tomato. Cucumber. Beetroot. Oh. Pineapple. Lettuce. Mayonnaise. Oh yeah, baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oi, have yourselves an awesome night. Bye.